Hello friends. Mid of the 18th century, scientists of the world struggling to classify the elements. Dobereiner trade failed and Newland's law of octet not satisfactory to classify all the known elements at that time. After a few years, Russian chemists developed a periodic table of element that is milestone in the history of classification. You know, I am talking about Dmitry Mendeleev was the professor in St. Petersburg University. Mendeleev organized the periodic table on the basis of physical and chemical properties. So, what are that physical and chemical properties? The physical properties are melting point, boiling point, and the densities. And the chemical properties means that the every element react with hydrogen and oxygen to form their compound. So there is formation of hydride and oxide. Why that Mendeleev choose hydrogen and oxygen? So see that hydrogen and oxygen gases react with most of elements. So that at that time there was 63 elements are known and Mendeleev tried to react all these elements with hydrogen and oxygen to shows that some of their properties are similar. Let us see the example of that. See here, that is Na react with hydrogen and also Na react with the oxygen. Then potassium also react with the hydrogen and potassium also react with the oxygen. As like this, that lithium and sodium. Lithium react with the oxygen to form oxide and also sodium react with the oxygen to form oxide. And also that too react with the water also to form hydroxide. Here is also Na react with the water and to form the hydroxide. So there are similar properties of that the Na and also K and Li, that is lithium, sodium and potassium. So what are that the similar properties of them? That similar properties are they are soft and shiny. So he arranged in the periodic table. So let us see the table number 2.3 in our textbook, that is the Mendeleev's periodic table. In the Mendeleev's periodic table, the vertical columns are known as the groups while the horizontal rows are called periods. So let us see how many groups are there. There are 8 groups and the 12 periods are there. See in the first group that we are seeing the similar properties of lithium, sodium and potassium. So he arranged that lithium, sodium and potassium in the group first. So that is the Mendeleev's periodic table. In that Mendeleev's periodic table, you can see in the first group there is a hydrogen also, and then there are the vacant places in the first period. Then next, in the second period, there is a lithium. In third period, it start with the sodium. Fourth is from potassium. So as like this, we are observing that elements are get arranged. But you can see that after lithium having the atomic mass 7, beryllium having the atomic mass 9.4, boron having 11, carbon having 12, nitrogen 14, oxygen 16, and that is the fluorine 19. By seeing this, we can observe that Mendeleev arrange this table on the basis of that increasing order of their atomic masses and show that the physical and chemical properties repeat after a definite interval. On the basis of this finding that also a law of the periodic, that is see the Mendeleev's periodic law, that is properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic masses. So, you can write this law in your notebook also. In this Mendeleev's periodic table, the general formula of this Mendeleev's periodic table of the compounds are shown as R2O, R2O3, etc. In the upper part of Mendeleev periodic table that are written